Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time it is. Welcome back. Super excited to show you this part. So muscle testing is another way that you can use these cards. So you have these charts that I was telling you about before, and you have the card system. So this is how I use it with muscle testing. So I'm going to keep working on my daughter, Lily, because I've been needing to work on her for a long time. So this is the perfect opportunity. So we've already talked about the steps. Let me review them. And I'm going to add one more actually. I forgot to mention it in the last video. The first step is connect to God. That is very near and dear to my heart, or your higher power, or the universe. Whatever your higher power is to you, connect to your higher power first. When you are connected to your higher power, your confidence will increase. Okay? So connect to higher power. Step number 2, pain points. And if it fits the situation, rate it out of 10. Step 3, create an intention. Step 4, pick 1 to 3 negative emotions. So here's what I'm going to do. Hold on, I'm separating the negative from the positive. And I'm doing this, but I want you to know that you don't have to. You don't have to separate it. Like, I'm giving you these rules so you have somewhere to start. Okay? So now we're just doing the negative emotions. Now I'm going to test for Lily. So this is called testing by proxy, like testing on behalf of somebody. There's lots of ways to do it. So this is my yes. This is my no. Yes, no. Yes, no. Because your muscles, here's why it works. Muscle testing is a way of asking the body questions. While I am not my daughter, I can set my needs aside and test for her. So let me break the connection with her real quick. So, yes, your muscles respond strong to something that's true or a yes answer. Your body responds weak to something that's no or that's false or a no answer. Okay, so that's how I'm using muscle testing. I'm going to do one more video that actually goes over muscle testing, but right now I'm just showing this session of what that might look like for you with muscle testing. Okay, so here's my yes, here's my no. All right, and it's asking questions. Does Lily have any trapped emotions causing her tantrums? And I get a strong yes. Okay, so, and then is it on this side? And then I kind of separate it and I use the process of elimination. Right side, left side. That narrowed it down to 5 cards already. Like you're thinking 30 cards, that's a lot of cards. Makes it very simple. Right side, left side. This card, this card. So, anger. Now that's true too, because she gets very angry when people hurt her, even if she hurt them, or if they went on her bed and took her things. Do I need to know more about this anger? And I get a no. So once again, I'm going to release it, releasing this trapped emotion of anger from Lily. Okay. Do I need to find any other emotions to release from her? And I get a yes. So we're just going to go with the process, just trusting, right? Like this doesn't have, you don't have to be, you don't have to be a professional at this to do this. Like you have to start somewhere. So is it on this side? No. Is it on this side? Yes. So here's my dividing point. Right, left. Right, left. This card, this card. Okay. Anger. So you might get this same card 2 times in a row, but guess what? There have been more times in your life than once that you have felt an emotion, because an emotion comes up because you already felt it once, and you're human. You're meant to feel emotion. So for me, I'm going to choose not to doubt this. So do we need to know more about this? No. Is it from different time? Yes, it is. So now I'm going to release the emotion of anger. Does anybody else have this? No. Okay. Releasing the trapped emotion of anger from Lily. Releasing trapped emotion of anger from Lily. Was it released successfully? Yes. Do we need to release any other emotions? Does she need anything positive put in? No, yes. So do we need anything on this side? On this side. Okay. Now I'm separating it. Right side, left side. So now we have it down to 3 emotions. This one, the middle one. Okay. Anxiety. She's a little bit more shy than my other daughters. So, and here I have on here anxiety roots from other emotions like panic, indecision, worry, concern, fear of the future, and overconsumed by negative thoughts. So, do we need to know more about this? No. Releasing this trapped emotion of anxiety from Lily. Okay, does she need anything else in here at all? She does. And now this is, if you don't want to separate it, it's fine. So then I can just be like, okay, does she need something on here? Something on this side? Yes. Right side, left side. This. Do we need to know anything more about this? I get a no. So we're going to put sending hope to Lily. Putting in and sending hope to Lily to fill in the void. Did we send that to her successfully? I like muscle testing because you're like, was that successfully done? Does she need anything else? No. Okay. So that's how you muscle test through the cards. It's like, and I actually feel like to do this, I had a feeling to work on myself, so you see how that works, okay? So my name is Lily, my name is Susie. So that means I've broken the connection with Lily. All right, so do I have any trapped emotions that need to be released? So let me go through the process with you. Number 1, pain point. I've been overwhelmed. We're packing to move our house. I'm following a marketing plan to sell these, as you already know, because you have them. And honestly, there's times where I feel like I have to work and not take a break. And so my intention is to release trapped emotions that's causing me to feel overwhelmed. So like I would rate, I'm not feeling overwhelmed at the moment, so I'm not going to rate it. But if I was, I would rate it. So, all right, so I'm just going to show you what it's like to muscle test through the cards without separating them. Okay, is there anything I need to find? I need to find 1, 2, 3 cards. I need to find 2 cards. Something in here, I get a no. Something in here, I get a yes. Something in here, I get a no. Something in here, I get a no. Are they both in here? No, just one of them. So 1, 2, or 3, 1, 2. Hope. That makes sense too, because I have some, apprehension about moving. So choosing to believe that something will happen and work out for your highest good. Oh yeah, so I need to have hope that we're gonna have the finances to make sure that we can pay for everything with our new house. So hope, putting in hope into my heart and my mind. Did I do that successfully? Is there anything else I need to find? Yes. So is it on the right side? Yes. So now I'm separating it. Right side, left side. Right side, left side. This 2. Okay. Courageous. Courage. Do you know what's kind of scary for me? Reaching out to people. Courage. So I'm going to put courage in. Putting in courage. And I'm going to actually reinforce it with I am full of love and courage. Okay. But I want to release something too, so I am going to pull out the negative. All right, so do I need something in here? 1, 2, here to here, one of these 2. Okay. So do I need 1, 2. So I need 2. Anger. I need to release anger. Does anybody else have this? No. So releasing anger. Okay. Deep breathing is another way to release emotions. Did you know that? Okay. So, and then if I'm just going to pull a card for myself from the whole thing, if I'm going to use it the other way, I'm just going to use the intention to help me to, what's the pain point I want to address? To help me have a better money story. Release, find something that I need to take away or put in to have a better money story. So I'm going to bring it down to 3 cards. Is it in here? I get a no. So it's in this pile. Is it in here? No. One of these 3. And I'm just going to pick it intuitively. Here's my 1, 2, and 3. I'm feeling 3. Grief. Is this my grief? No. Is it my husband's grief? So I absorbed grief from my husband. So I'm going to release grief from me and my husband. Releasing grief from me and my husband. Was that really successful? Yes. Okay. Let's talk about different types of emotions. Okay. Actually, first let's do the charts. No. Yes, do the charts. Okay. Going off of this intuitively, okay? All right, so say that I need to release an emotion. The charts are nice because they have more emotions than are in the cards. So if there's an emotion that I need that's not in the cards, and I'm feeling that or I'm muscle testing that, I'm gonna go, okay, what emotion do I need? It's separated into columns and rows. It's column A, B, or C, and row 1 through 6. So this is how I do it very quickly. Is it in column A, column B, even, 2, 4. Is it depression, frustration, indecisive, panic, taken for granted? Frustration, is that mine? Is it absorbed? Is it from my husband? No. From my daughter? No. Do I need to know? Is this recent? I don't even know. I don't need to know because I asked if I needed to know and I said, and I got a no answer. I was weak. So I'm going to release this, releasing frustration that I absorbed. Okay, let's say I need a positive emotion. Now I'm going to look for positive. Do I need any of these positive emotions? In column A, column B, even, 2, 4, 6. So lift it up, love, royal, magnetic, making, progress. Magnetic making. I need the emotion that I'm making progress. So then, oh, I need to fix that. I'll fix that for you. Okay. Putting in making progress. I am making progress. So that's how I use these charts with muscle testing. And that's how you can also use muscle testing. It's nice because you can muscle test through the deck, bring it down to 3 cards, and then show the person choose 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, or 3, and then they can just pick from those 3 cards. All right, so get your pen and paper out and write this down. There's a few different types of emotions, okay? The first one is common. That means it's yours. So it would just be classified under trapped emotion. The next one is absorbed. Absorbed means it's not yours. You took it on or you felt it from somebody who was feeling that same emotion, and now you took on their emotion. The next one is inherited, meaning it was passed down through the DNA because there was an ancestor, parent, grandparent, great-grandparent, etc., who felt some trauma or emotion and it changed their DNA, and that got passed on through the generations. And DNA can change. It's like Why would somebody all of a sudden have chronic kidney failure? Like their DNA changed because of decisions in their lives. Then there's prenatal. So common, which is yours, absorbed, maybe you took it on from somebody else, inherited, passed down through the DNA, and prenatal. And one more, preconception, like before you were born or before you were conceived. Like if you're LDS, like where we were before, kind of like pre-earth emotion. So if you're like kind of stuck in it, like, and you're like, that's not really mine. Well, it might not be yours. It might be absorbed. It might be inherited. It might be prenatal or preconception. The most common though is inherited and absorbed. So that's a good one to ask. Is it absorbed? Is it inherited? Let's see, anything else I need to tell you for this video? I think that there is. Okay, so you probably might be having a question about what if your muscle testing is inconsistent? First thing, drink water. Second, ask God to help you. And third, ask the question in a different way. Okay, that is all for this video. If you want like some one-on-one help with muscle testing, please reach out to me. Because you bought the card set, I will be happy to give you a discount. If you want some one-on-one help with this, just like being able to do this on your own, I want you to be able to use the system confidently. I don't want you to feel stuck. So that is why I'm offering you the session for $75, or like the training, like one-on-one training for $75 to answer all of your questions and to help you through all of your blocks. So please reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm going to set up a Facebook page and I'm going to send that to you. I want to help you. Okay? I'll see you in the next video.